Thank you for watching this week's episode of our Thirukkural series. We hope that you found the first chapter's verses and explanations insightful and inspiring. Welcome to this video on Thirukkural chapter 2, which glorifies the significance of rain in our lives. In this segment, we will explore Song 1 of chapter 2, which highlights the crucial role of rain in sustaining life. The world survives because of the rains, therefore, rain is known to be the nectar of immortality. Thirukkural emphasizes the life-sustaining role of rainfall and reminds us of its significance in the ecological balance of our planet. Without rain, the earth would turn into a barren and lifeless place. It is the primary water source for all living beings, including humans, animals, and plants. Thirukkural highlights the importance of rain in agriculture, which is the foundation of our food supply. Rain provides the necessary moisture for crops to grow. Without it, food scarcity would prevail. Rain also replenishes the rivers and lakes, which are essential water sources for human consumption, irrigation, and power generation. Thirukkural underscores the importance of timely and adequate rain, which is necessary for the survival of all life forms. Rain also has a spiritual dimension, which is celebrated in various cultures across the world. It is often associated with purity, renewal, and rejuvenation. Thirukkural highlights the symbolic significance of rain and its role in the spiritual renewal of our planet. In conclusion, Song 1 of Chapter 2 of Thirukkural reminds us of the crucial role of rain in sustaining life on our planet. The world survives because of the rains, therefore, rain is known to be the nectar of immortality. Let us cherish and celebrate the significance of rain in our lives and do our part in conserving this precious resource for future generations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural content. Join us next week as we explore another chapter and continue to uncover the beautiful and inspiring teachings of Thirukkural.